Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've got the PDF in WhatsApp. Start by downloading it so you can print. Tap the attachment to preview and confirm it's the correct file, then use Save or Export to store it locally. Make sure you know where it was saved, Downloads, Files, or the Photos/Files app, because you'll need that path when you send to a printer. Once saved, check file size and orientation so you don't waste paper. This first step reduces surprises later. Open the PDF from your Files app or a dedicated viewer. That gives you full print controls. Tap the share or menu icon and choose Print, then select your printer, Wi-Fi, AirPrint, or a cloud printer so you don't accidentally queue to the wrong device. Set page range, orientation, and number of copies. For multi-page PDFs, preview every page. If available, adjust scale, color versus black and white, and duplex to save paper. These choices affect output and cost, so set them intentionally. Send the print job and watch the printer status. Make sure it's online and has paper and ink. Once printed, quickly flip through the pages to confirm alignment and completeness. If the job fails or prints blank pages, cancel and retry. Export the WhatsApp PDF to a different PDF app, reopen it, and print again. Sometimes resaving fixes metadata issues. If network printers misbehave, print via USB or save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.